Hello everybody. Today we are going to discuss the next point, that is cycloalkanes relative stability and Bayer's strain theory. First of all, we will discuss what is about cycloalkanes. Cycloalkanes are the saturated hydrocarbons in which terminal and front carbon atoms join together to form a ring. Okay, as far as their number is considered, for example, first we consider the first cycloalkane. This is the cycloalkane. How many corners of this? That is 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. We are adding here how many carbon atoms? That is equal to 3. Therefore, the name of this cycloalkane is cyclopropane. Here, first and last units are joined by the front and terminal carbon atoms. Okay. Now, as far as their ring is considered, my ringing number is equal to mono, di, tri, tetra, according to their names are suggested. Okay. Now the scientist Bayes pointed out that all these cycloalkanes are stable one according to their normal angle. As far as normal angle is considered here, which is the normal angle or the tetrahedral geometry here considering, that is by considering normal tetrahedral angle that is equal to what? 109 degrees 28 minutes. According to this tetrahedral angle, each cycloalkanes are get stabilized and get reactive with the angle when compared to this normal tetrahedral angle. If this angle and whatever may be the cycloalkane we have chosen for the example, if there any difference causing to the strain to a molecule that doesn't possess the stability, that is by acquiring it as a high energy. Now by using this sentence or this postulates, he proposed a theory called as Bayer's strain theory in accordance with the stability of a cycloalkanes. So let us start with the Bayer's strain theory. Okay, or Bayer's strain theory in case of a cycloalkanes. See here, what are the postulates here? Postulates. Okay, as Bayer is suggested that is the angle between the each cycloalkane is responsible for the stability of a cycloalkane and its reactivity. First, that is, he stated that all the cycloalkanes are planar one. That is what? That is all the cycloalkanes. That is from carbon number is equal to 3 to up to 7, and our higher cycloalkanes are stable one. That is, which says that all the carbon atoms lie in a same plane. Now what is about second? That is postulates, that is, as far as the stability is considered in case of its tetrahedral angles, all the all the angles come to these positions while comparing with normal tetrahedral angle, with a valence angle of a cycloalkanes. What is this? This is all the angles comes to these positions. Okay, that is come under the stress. Comparing with normal tetrahedral angle is what? That is 109 degrees. Here 28 minutes. That is the normal angle. With comparison with the actual angle present in a cycloalkanes, that will give rise to a disposition or the strain developed in the cycloalkane. Okay. Now, what is about third postulate? See here. Any deviations or disposition occurs in a cycloalkane leads to development of strain in the molecule. Development of strain in the molecule. What is the deviation? If the valence angle of any cycloalkane that is either less than or as a greater than that of which angle? That is normal tetrahedral angle, that is equal to 109 degrees 28 minutes, which can causes the development of strain in the molecule. Okay. Now next postulate. Due to presence of this deviation in angle, the molecule becomes strained and it acquires higher energy. And already we have seen that is higher energy means what? That is the lesser is the stability one. Okay. Now what is due to the fifth postulate here? See here. Due to its higher energy, to overcome this strain, in the molecule can undergo ring opening, okay. And as far as ring is opening, there is formation of a substitution reaction, and thereby molecule becomes strainless. Okay. Now the next postulate here. What is the next postulate here? That is, I am going to see here. That is next postulate here. That is, greater the strain, greater is the potential energy P, and lesser is stability. And next one is, that is seventh is, that is higher ring suffers greater internal strain and that do not and do not occur in nature. Occur in a nature one. What are the next postulate here? That is, greater the strain in the molecule, greater the its PE energy. PE means potential energy, and lesser is its stability. This point is already we have seen in the conformational analysis of a butane and ethane. And higher rings, that is of a cycloheptane, cyclooctane, cyclonone, decane. Also, these higher rings suffers greater internal strain and do not occur in this nature. That is, these are the 7 postulates of the scientist Baer. According to him, he prepared a table for cycloalkanes with its number of valence angle, whatever may be the distortion, and whatever may be its relative stability one. I am drawing here the table. You can write down it. Okay. Now, writing this table as, that is, first I am making the some columns for this table. That is, number of C atoms in cycloalkanes. Next is valence angle. Next, distortion. And next is about total strain in kilojoule per mole. For number of carbon atoms is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to 11, and here 12. And next is about, last is about an alkane. Which is of valence angle is equal to 109 and 28 minutes, 0 degrees, and here also 0 degrees. Here the angles are here 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 108 degrees, 120 degrees, 128 degrees, 34 minutes. Okay, and from 8 to 11 here, what is the angle are given to you? That is 135 to 147 degrees, 16 minutes. Here for 12, 150 degrees. The angle is equal to minus 20 degrees, 16 minutes here. Here minus 12 degrees, 46 minutes to 18 degrees, 56 minutes. Okay, now here from this 24 degrees, 44 minutes. Next is about, that is 9 degrees, 44 minutes, 0 degrees, 44 minutes. Then minus 5 degrees, 44 minutes, sorry 16 minutes are here. Okay, minus 9 degrees, 33 minutes. And what about the total strain of here? This first is equal to 120, second is equal to 120, then 35, 12, then again 35, then 32 to 88, then 48 here. Okay, now we can explain here, in case of distortion is equal to what? 1 by 2 into 109 degrees minus the valence angle. Now whatever may be the situations are creating here, that is of which a degrees, that is number of carbon atoms in a cycloalkanes. Now what is the number? 3 is equal to what? Cyclopropane. Here I am writing here as cyclopropane. Here cyclobutane. Here cyclopentane. Okay. Here cyclohexane. Here cycloheptane. Okay. Now the scientists have given according to the stability of a cycloalkane with relative to its energy. Okay, which can be calculated by the valence angle present in the cycloalkanes. Okay, we have here putted how many columns? That is equal to 4 columns. Reminding that is cyclopropane is of valence angle is what? That is equal to 60 degrees here. Okay, now how will you calculate the distortion here? That is 1 by 2 bracket 109 minus 60 degrees is degrees minus what is remaining here? That is 24 degrees 44 minutes here. Okay. Now, or what is the total strain in kilojoule per mole? That is 120 kilojoule per mole. In case of a cyclobutane, what is the acute angle? Already we know this acute angle, that is equal to 90 degrees, and therefore the total distortion is carried up to this is 9 degrees 44 minutes, and the total strain is what? That is 112 kilojoule per mole. For cyclopropane 108, for cyclohexane 120, for cycloheptane 128. Okay, like that. Here we are expressing here number of distortions and total strain in kilojoule per mole here. Okay, now what happens according to table? According to the table, we get the some ideas. What are the some ideas? Whatever may be the deviations here, whatever may be the deviations are which? That is either the angle between a cyclopropane is less than 109 degrees 20 minutes or a greater than 109 degrees 20 minutes. If the deviation is the positive, the molecule becomes a more strain one. If the deviation is the negative, molecule is a less strain becomes one, according to this table. Now, according to this table, here one thing is that is in cyclopropane, one of the total strain is equal to what? That is 120 kilojoule per mole. That is in cyclopropane. Here distortion is equal to what? That is the positive distortion, which shows that cyclopropane molecule can be a more strain one and it cannot prepared in a lab. Likewise, in a cyclobutane, here what happens? Here the strain is 112 kilojoule per mole. That is total strain is equal to what? That is 112 kilojoule per mole, and which is again a less than that of the strain produced in a cyclopropane. Therefore, cyclobutane is more stable than the cyclopropane. Okay, and thus this cyclobutane is a more stable. Okay, as far as cyclopentane, cyclohexane, cycloheptane are concerned, their total strains are relieving to this here goes on down. As far as concerned in the cyclohexane, the total strain is equal to what? 12 kilocalorie kilojoule per mole. That is, cyclohexane is a more stable than the cyclopentane. But these all the postulates are satisfied up to the structure that is equal to cyclopentane one. Now, there has some limitations also. What are these limitations? That is, whatever he suggested, that is the molecule becomes a strain if the acute angle is a less than that of normal tetrahedral angle. Okay, but this is true for only cyclopentane. Beyond cyclopentane or greater than cyclopentane, the criteria of the Bayes was not to be proved in a correct way. Now, what are its limitations? See, one by one we can see its limitations. One, see here in the Bayes scientist, limitations of Bayes strain theory. Okay. First limitation, in case of a cyclopropane and cyclobutane. Okay, as this molecule is becomes a strain one, as it is total strain is equal to what? 120 kilojoule per mole, and for cyclobutane is equal to what? 112 kilojoule per mole. Therefore, it can be concluded that is cyclopropane is not prepared in a lab and it cannot be exist here. That is, the cyclobutane is prepared by means of in a lab also under drastic conditions. Under which condition? Under drastic conditions. Okay. Now, What is the second postulates here? As far as the cyclobutane and cyclopentane are considered here cyclobutane and here cyclopentane. Cyclopentane is undergoes hydrogenation to become to ring opening, but cyclobutane can't. Can't undergo ring opening. Third is that is according to the scientist Bayes, that is higher cycloalkanes are not found in nature. This is a false statement. That is already cyclopentane and the other higher cycloalkanes are found in a nature. Now next is about, that is here fourth limitation. I am giving you one by one. These limitations are like this. That is fourth limitation is that is cyclopentane according to Bayer here cycloalkanes in bracket higher have almost equally stable one. Second is that is fifth is that is cyclobutane ring according to Bayer, cyclobutane ring can be formed more easily than cyclopropane. Cyclopropane 1 here. Okay. What are the first limitation? That is according to the scientist Bayer here. Higher cycloalkanes have the equally stability. This statement which is done by the Bayers is not the same. Okay. Now according to the Bayer, cyclobutane ring, whatever may be the cyclobutane this ring, it can be easily formed without easily than the cyclopropane, because cyclopropane has a higher strength. Now as far as its, that is heat of combustion values are considered here. Heat of combustions. Next is heat of combustion values are considered for the rings, that is values are is equal to what? This is the table. This is of N is equal to what? Here heat of combustion in kilojoule per mole and number of rings 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and here 8. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here 6, 6, 2 value here. Second is what? 697 here given to you. That is next is 686, 664, then 650, then 659, 664, then 659, 652 here, and next is 664. Okay. Now all these values shows that these are the values of a heat of a combustions are here. All these values shows that here after cyclopentane, that is number of rings equal to what? That is equal to 5. These values having values equal to the stable cycloalkane, equal to the stable cycloalkane values. That is already said. Cycloalkane stable value is what is equal to? That is equal to 658 kilojoule per mole. Here, whatever given to us, that is the stable cycloalkane value is equal to what? 658. And as far as after cyclopentane, the cyclohexane, cycloheptane and octane, these values are given to you, that is equal to 659, 652 and 664 are about round figure up to more less or greater than, that is equal to 658. Next limitation is that is these combustion values are not gives a correct proof for these values. That is higher cycloalkanes undergo substitution reactions and they among their undergoes a relative stability one. That is whatever may be the statement according to the Bayer, that is higher cycloalkanes are not found in nature, that statement was not true, because that is higher cycloalkanes here undergoes substitution reaction among themselves to achieve the stability one. As far as the last but remaining the limitation is that here I am giving to you that is as far as here last one is, that is cycloheptane and cyclobutane total strains are considered. Total strains are approximately same, but cycloheptane is more stable than okay, which that is a cyclobutane. That is of a cyclobutane. What is the last limitations of here? That is cycloheptane and cyclobutane. As far as their total strains are considered here, they are equal to the same approximately, but cycloheptane is a more stable than the cyclobutane. These are the some limitations of the Bayer's strain theory. Okay. Now in the next lecture we are going to see the next theory, that is called as a strainless strain theory, that is given by the scientist, that is equal to a Morse and a Sachet. Along with this also the scientist Huckel also this invented, and it gives the statement that is decalin is also formed by the chair conformation of a cyclohexane. This point we have to consider in the next lecture. Thus we have explained here in case of a cycloalkanes, that is Bayer's strain theory, its postulates and limitations. Thank you.